What I'm actually most happy about, I've shown you in a different video, different settings, so it's easier to go, if you need to go deeper underneath, to hit the right spot to jack the car up. And I'm actually very happy that I purchased this. I thought about it for a very long time. Different opinions are there on the internet, but if this thing comes down, then at least this thing is here to hold it up, and your brake disc, your wheel, won't be laying on the concrete and get damaged. And I think this, for additional safety, yeah, it's just a good investment. I mean, you can get these very cheap. I got a set of 4, 3 tons each. I realize I'll be using only one, but if for some reason I ever wanted to lift the whole car up and do tire rotations with all season tires, then this set would come in very handy. And yeah, well painted, well put together, double safety. First this one, and then this one. And yeah, if you have the budget to spare, I highly recommend that you buy at least one of these also for a double safety backup.